Take this MonsterView Panoramic Auto-Darkening Helmet. It's ideal for TIG, MIG, and plasma cutting applications with grinding feature. Get a panoramic view of your workspace with the large 27.3 square inch viewing area. Make quick and precise adjustments with the digital welding lenses. The front and side lens darken automatically, offering a variable 3 to 14 shade. Automatic color numbering technology matches shade to arc during welding. 5 arc sensors detect when an arc is struck. A fast switching speed goes from clear to dark in 1/25,000th of a second. Simply push the exterior button to switch to grinding mode. Stay comfortable with the ergonomic adjustable multi-cushion headgear. A replaceable battery makes it easy to keep the helmet powered up and running. Protect your eyes and get the job done with this MonsterView Panoramic Auto-Darkening Helmet from Klutch.